Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Roblox crashing on PC. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, if your Roblox is crashing, you can try to restart your PC. So just go into start menu and just click on this power button and just restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, then you can go and check if your Roblox is working or not. If your problem is still there, you can try the second method, and which is that just hit right click on your Roblox player and click on run as administrator. Now if you get any kind of pop-up, you just need to hit on yes, and then you will see if your Roblox is working or not. Now if your problem is not solved, you can just try the third method, and here we just need to again click right on the Roblox player. Just go to properties, and in the compatibility section you will see the option for run compatibility troubleshooter. Just click there and you will see that they are detecting our issue, and just click on try recommended settings, and from here you can test the program and then just click on next and just check if your problem is solved or not. After doing all these steps, and if your problem is still there, I would recommend you to reinstall your Roblox so that your problem will get solved. So for that we just need to uninstall the Roblox first. Just hit right click on the start button, then hit to settings, and here click on apps, and we just need to search a Roblox right here. Once you find it, just click on Roblox and click on uninstall. So now your Roblox is uninstalling. Once you uninstall the Roblox, now it's time to reinstall it. For that you can just easily download any of these. I am just going with the please donate, so I just need to click on this play sign and just need to click on download and install. Once your setup is download, just run it, and here we are going to click on join. Now click on Roblox game client, and yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can reinstall your Roblox. If your problem is solved, you can just repay me by subscribing my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.